Hello and welcome back to the workshop. On this video I'm going to be installing the mainspring into the barrel. But first of all I want to put the mainspring into the mainspring winder, unwind it, clean it before I insert it into the barrel. But I do have a problem. You can see here the actual wire that's holding the spring goes right across the bit where I need to hook it on the mainspring winder. So I'm not sure I'm going to do that yet. So what I'll do, I'll dismantle the clock, get it ready, I'll see what I do. Right, now that the clock's dismantled, I'm going to see if I can hook the spring to the mainspring winder. But that's my problem there. The actual wire holding the spring together is right across the where I need to hook it, and it's flattened it. So I'll see if I can get it on the mainspring winder, and then we'll have a look at that. Right, I managed to connect it to the mainspring winder. All I need to do now is unwind it and clean it. See if I can do this without any drama. See if I can get that. That's it. Right, I'm going to get some WD-40 and clean it all now. Right, now that I've cleaned it, I'm going to try and wind it back up again. Make sure it fits in the barrel. I'm going to put the Jubilee clip on the end and see if that'll hold it. Right, see how it goes. Right, that's the spring in the barrel. It went in okay. So now while I've got the clock stripped down, I need to drill and tap a 10BA hole in here for the regulator. So I'm going to set up and do that now. Right, this is a drawing of what I'm going to be doing next. I'm going to put in this tapped hole here, which is 10BA, which is equivalent to about 2mm. So I'll get set up. We'll see how that looks. I'm going to use this machine to do this operation because I can get the height and still use a drill chuck. That should be enough. Right, I'll clamp it and see how we go from there. Right, I clamped it to the angle plate now and I clocked up the true position. One thing to remember when working with brass, when you're clamping that, always protect the brass with something, because if you get a deep scratch in brass, it will not come out. Right, now I'm ready to centre drill and then to drill it 1.4. Here goes. Right, ready now for tapping. Right, ready for tapping now. Right, that's that bit done. Okay, what you saw me do with the clock on the left, I've done exactly the same with the clock on the right, so they both got the springs in now. Here's one of the anchor escapements which I've not put in the frames yet because I want to do a running test. What I'm going to do now is wind the clock a little bit and check that all the wheels are running freely. So I'll do that now. Okay, everything seems to be working nicely, running very smooth. You can see there the motion works at the front. What I'm going to do now is do the same to the other clock. Right, I've still got the pendulum to make and the base and the pillars to rest it on. On the next video I'll probably make the bezel to hold this chapter ring on and the pillars to support it. So if you'd like to see that, please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you on the next video, and thank you very much for watching.